Welcome to this Yoga Nidra, enabling you to experience deep rest and a restorative sleep. And take a moment to ensure that you are as comfortable and as warm as can be, ensuring you have enough pillows for under your head and knees and blankets for on top. Maybe some cozy socks. Taking a moment to really check in and ensure you're as comfortable as can be before you allow yourself to settle down. And now that you are comfortable, know that there is no further need for any movement, and you can enjoy this time to allow your body to fully rest. And during this practice, you will hear my voice speaking, and you don't have to focus on the words I'm saying. Just allow my voice to guide you through this Nidra, and listen to the sounds of the gong and the bowls, and allow the soothing vibrations and the sound of my voice to soothe you into a deep, restful state. Welcome in all the sounds that you can hear in the space where you rest and on this recording. All sounds that you hear enable you to rest even deeper. Feel the flow of your breath as it moves gently and softly in and out of your body. Feel the gentle rise of your chest and your belly as you breathe in, and feel your body settle and rest as you breathe out. Notice how the sounds and the vibrations move in with the breath, filling up and expanding your body, creating space. And with the out-breath, your body rests even deeper onto this earth. You are held as you rest. Each time that you breathe in, you take in a little more, a little deeper, and the sounds travel down further into your belly, rising with each in-breath, expanding and lifting. The out-breath softening and unfurling you a little more each time. Feeling the flow of the breath in, rising your body up and expanding. A sensation of lightness throughout your whole being, almost as if floating. And each out-breath, feel that connection to the earth deepen. Feeling the connection to the earth touching your body, drawing you down like a magnetic force to the center of the earth. Feeling grounded and held with each out-breath. And each cycle continues with the in-breath, the sensation of lightness and rising up, expanding, weightlessness. And the out-breath connecting deeper and more grounded, each time as if laying down roots deep into the earth. Notice the points of contact where your body rests heavy on this earth, and notice how with each out-breath that contact deepens, feeling the weight, connection, and notice where your body lies lightly on this earth, maybe behind your neck or lower back, ankles and knees, and notice how at each in-breath that space expands as if you hover, and then as your breath leaves, you feel your body settle and the connection to the earth deepens again. Your body is still and rested, but there is movement of the breath as it flows in and out, rising the chest and the belly, whilst the rest of the body lays still. Notice this sensation of stillness and movement together at the same time. Become aware of the sensation of movement and stillness in your body together at the same time. And notice the sensation of weight and heaviness, and expansion and lightness, all together at the same time. Be aware of your whole body, every part of you, front and back, every limb, and allow your awareness to become more narrower from your whole body. Narrow down that awareness to just the chest area, and even smaller now to the space between the breasts, behind the breastbone, deep into the heart's core. Take a moment to listen in and see if anything arises. It may be your Sankalpa, an affirmation or positive statement, words from your soul to you, or some new words may arise in this moment. Listen in to what your heart has to say. And if you should find silence here, then just enjoy this moment, as being here is enough. And if something should arise, repeat it back to yourself 3 times in the present tense. Of consciousness, you may want to repeat back the name of the limb that I mentioned. Maybe bathe it in a warming light or sensation, breathing in the sounds that you hear. Allow the sounds to envelop every part foot, the whole of the right leg, the whole of the right side of the body. Bathe in this warming sensation, this light enveloped by the sound. Take your attention now to the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, and all the spaces between the fingers, thumb and fingers together, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, whole of the left arm, bathed in this warming light, enveloped by soothing sound. Armpit, side, waist, hip, left front thigh, back of thigh, knee, back of knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, instep, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the whole of the left foot, the whole of the left leg, the whole of the left side of the body. Bathe in a warming light, fully enveloped by soothing sounds. And bringing your attention now around the back to the right buttock, left buttock, tailbone, lower back, middle back, upper back, base of the spine, and spiraling all the way up and through to the top of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow and eyelashes, left eyebrow and eyelashes, space between the eyebrows, top of the nose down to the tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, lips together, tongue, gums, jaw, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, left side of the chest, right side of the chest, heart space, diaphragm, rib cage, down to the space behind the navel, down deep into the belly, pelvic bowl, down to the space between the pubic bones, the whole of the groin, the whole of the front side of your body, backside of your body, your whole body, your whole body bathed in this beautiful, warming, calming light and sound. You are fully enveloped and held. Your whole body rests deeply. As you rest here, fully unfurled on this earth, you are grounded and held. Feel the weight of the solid mass of your physical form. Each out-breath draws your body down onto the earth, deeper and deeper into rest, and each in-breath fills and expands your whole body, rising up with a lightness as if bursting into tiny particles, stardust floating in the cosmos. So much space, lightness, freedom. Feel this sense of floating like stardust in space. Quiet, weightless. And then feel the weight of your solid mass, physical form, resting on the earth. And then feeling like stardust floating weightless, and then resting heavy on the earth. And how would it feel to experience both at the same time? Weightless stardust and heavy grounded physical form together at the same time. And as this Nidra slowly fades out, you continue to enjoy this deep rest, and your body and mind benefits from the softness and the space that it brings. And you awake when the time is right for you, feeling rested, calm and energized. And the next time that you listen to this recording, you will go even deeper and feel even more positive impact from listening and resting to this Nidra. Enjoy your rest, and thank you for being here.